Hi, the Mudbrooker here. We finally got a halfway pleasant day here in Mudbrook. It's been cold and rainy and generally miserable all spring. So I decided to plant my garden. The lilacs are blooming, smell real nice. I got some squash planted there. Those are heirloom squash. My grandpa started saving those seeds back in the 50s and they've been passed down through the family to me. Got me some kohlrabi. There's a few cayenne peppers. Get over here in the shade. Got a bunch of tomatoes. They're mostly San Marzano and a few Romas. I started putting my cages around the tomatoes. I just knocked together little cages out of lath. They last 4 or 5 years and they don't cost anything to build. Dug out a big rock that I got sick of hitting with the rototiller. Now normally, when I'm done using my cages at the end of the year, I just kind of walk them over here and lean them against this tree. There were a few leaned on this side. That one's broken, so I left it. And if you hear that bird up above, right there, that robin, there's a reason why he's upset. And it's also the reason why I couldn't finish putting the cages around my tomato plants. Guess I'm just going to have to build some more if I want to cage my tomatoes anytime soon. Thanks for watching.